Hi everyone, we're going to graph this hyperbola. We know it's a hyperbola because of the negative here. And the first thing we're going to do is get our center. Our center is our HK. In this case, it's going to be 2, -3. That's your center. So I'm going to go ahead and plot that. I like to graph while I'm finding the information. So that's 2, -3. So that's your center. And then we're going to find our a squared. Our a squared in this case is always the first number for hyperbolas, is 4. Our b squared is 25. And our c squared, remember our c squared for hyperbolas is c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So you add that and that's 29. Therefore your a equals plus or minus 2. Your b equals plus or minus 5. And your c equals plus or minus square root of 29. And the square root of 29 is in between 5 and 6. So that's in between 5 and 6. So basically I'm going to start graphing this for my y. And since y starts, we're going to open up and down on this. So for my y, I'm going to go up 2 and down 2. For my x, I'm going to go to the right 5 and to the left 5. Now for hyperbolas, I like to draw a little box here because that's going to help me get my asymptotes. And I'm going to go ahead and draw from the center to these diagonals and get my asymptotes here. Your oblique asymptotes. Alright, so for this one, my asymptote lines is basically I'm going up 2 and to the right 5, or I'm going up 2 to the left 5, or you can go down. So my asymptotes are basically plus or minus 2 over 5. Up 2 over 5, down 2 over 5. And there's my asymptote lines. And then my vertex is going to be, you talk about the major one, it's going to be right here. So what I did on the vertex is I added 2 to my center of my y. So that's going to be 2, -3 plus 2 and 2, -3 minus 2. These are that's your vertex. That's going to be 2, -1, which you can see already here, just looking at it. And this is going to be 2, -5, which you can see looking at it. Now, if you want to draw this, you can get it close to the asymptotes here, so it's pretty wide here. And it's opening up and down because y is the leader here. If x started first, it would open left and right. And we need our eccentricity and our foci. So our eccentricity is going to be E equals C over A. So that's just going to be square root of 29 over 2, which means it's a lot bigger than 1. This is always bigger than 1, but the bigger it is than 1, the wider it gets. So basically that's that, and then we have to do the foci. The foci is always going to be on the inside here, so it's going to be somewhere in here, in here. So let's figure out what the foci is. The foci we're adding to the y again, so this is your foci. So we're going to write 2, -3, and that's your c part. So you're adding plus square root of 29, and 2 comma negative 3 minus square root of 29. So again, square root of 29 is in between 5 and 6. So from here, the center, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little bigger than that, and I'm going to go down from negative 3. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a little bit bigger. So there's your foci, and that one was just a practice one there. And we have everything written down, and that is all. Thank you, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.